Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share my what do you call it? The year of Julie nutting tags. I received my tag from Aretha, and have her I'll see if she has a YouTube channel. I'm not sure. I haven't opened the um, envelope yet, but if she does, I'll have her link down below. And if you guys are interested in joining in the swap, there's another swap coming up in September. Is it September? Well, it's September for October. It's a Halloween tag with the Julie Nutting dolls. I'm so excited about that. Um, I'm excited every month, it seems. Okay, so my swap partner was Aretha, and Aretha, I'm so sorry I did not do a video. Well, I did do a video of my tag that I sent to her, but something happened to the video. It did not record everything. So I deleted that video because it was useless. And then I posted it on my Instagram, and Donna had suggested to do a voiceover, and I'm like, I've never done that before, and I'll try it sometime, but I don't know. I think I might have done it once before. I don't know. It's been a while. So I just wanted to share my tag. OMG. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, here's a card. I'm gonna open that first. But oh my gosh, this tag is amazing. Um, so here's her card. And it says, "Hello, Tereese. I hope you like the tag I made for this month's swap. I can't wait to receive yours." And she did receive hers, by the way. And she did like it. So I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Look at her tag. OMG. I love it. And oh gosh, the paper is perfect. I love the ribbon that she used at the top here. And this teeny tiny bow. Oh my goodness, with a teeny tiny button. Oh wow, it is amazing, Aretha. I love it. She is so gorgeous. I'm not sure who this doll is. Does she say? No. She does have an IG, and I'll link her IG down below, everybody. Oh my gosh. Anyway, look at this. Goodness, I love it. And look at the dimension with the leaves. And there's a little birdie. Oh my gosh, the detail with the doll is amazing because she didn't color, but it looked like she layered cardstock with and paper pieced her hair. I've never done that before. I'm gonna have to try that out. That would be so cute. I'm gonna have to try that. And I love her gloves and her belt, and oh my god, it's dimensional. It is amazing. Oh my goodness. And it says fallen leaves, and I just love it. And I'm loving how each doll is different. I mean, Julie Nutting has a ton of dolls, so you have the pick of, you know, but it's just amazing that each tag I get, people are using different dolls, and I think that is just fabulous because, you know, I like how everybody is doing their own thing, and it's just so cute. I love how she layered the bottom here with leaves and a pumpkin. It says 25 cents. I wish pumpkins were 25 cents. Oh my goodness, I love it. Thank you so much, Aretha. And it is a year of Julie Knowing Tag swap hosted by Donna Powered by Creativity, SparklingChar, and Karen Small Crafting. Oh my gosh, I somebody had corrected me on my last video of the three ladies that were hosting this, and I was like, oh, duh. So if you guys are interested, I'll link Donna's channel down below so you can check out the rules, what you need to do. I think you have to send her an email with a picture of your tag completed by September 19th. And then by the 20th, she's going to send another email back to you saying who you're swapping with, or who you're swapping, or who you're sending your tag to. I think it depends on the number of tags. Um, so next month is Halloween, and so I hope everybody comes out and join because this swap is amazing. These women are very, very creative and I'm enjoying it. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.